In this video, we're going to talk about how to know someone blocked you on Instagram. In this case, when you get into a file section like that one and you don't know if someone blocked you on Instagram, simply as you go on the search box, which is right here on the second side, and if you type for the user, for example, I don't know, I'm gonna just type these sites, and as you go, for example, for users, and if doesn't show you right here and doesn't appear on your site selection, that could be possibility to get that for some reason that person has blocked you on Instagram. Also, if you're going to the site selections or simply by your followers or following sessions that you have got it on your site, and you can check it from there, and if there doesn't appear that site of friend, that means that someone or that just friend has blocked you on Instagram. Also, by letting to your old stories, for example, when you're scrolling and taking over all the stories right here, and if you cannot find his or her story, this could be a possibility that has blocked you on your site selection.